Bird Series 2. Well, yeah, Series 2, season, I think series and season don't mean the same thing, but Chapter 1 and Series 2 of Opila Bird. Yes, Opila. Case 10, The Bird. Today's series is about what superpower does this little bird have? Apparently, from the supervillains, the supervillain thing fandom for Opila Bird, with a wiki, guys, said that she has like night vision, like be able to see in the dark, super speed, and I think that's all of them that she has. And also, guys, there's a new series coming soon, starting on the 25th of May 2023. One second, guys. I know it's blurred out, guys, but it's Mr. Bird. It's Mr. Bird from Garten of Banban 3. We all know Opila is from Garten of Banban and 1 and 2 and 3, but he only appears in 3. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the series for Opila. Click the link to go to the Opila Bird series chapter 3, and also there's another link that will take you to the Mr. Bird, which I'm not going to say his name, chapters. Goodbye, guys.